Y'all check it out, fam. I had to go get me a motherfucking jack. I'm gonna drop this whole chick day. Check it out, cook.
I love it.
Rusty ass factory boat. Let's get this shit done.
La frente, la carabina.
I did a brake change for nothing, fam. Just find out the problem was this. I gotta check these holes out. I'm not dropping the truck on the front today. I'm gonna save that for another video. But we did get the drop shackles in the back, kid. There you have it, kid. Homemade oil pan over there. So you gotta spin this hole until you feel like you can't spin no more, and then you just get out the way like that, kid. This is a bullshit exhaust setup.
Yeah, I seen it. But that's you could always I don't know.
That shit say sold performance. Gather up my fresh ass oil pan. try mobile one.
Pinche viaje derechito para la casa. Termino de que ya le cae. ¿El zapato se todavía? ¿Le pusiste el hoyo?
Yeah, everything tightened up. Fill the filter.
Alright. Una vez con Lisandro sobre la cantidad a mí me gustó. Finos amistades los que traigo yo. Y ahora ven que sí sobresalí. Ya traigo con qué. Y van a ver, gente envidiosa no me querían ver crecer. Calidad sobre la cantidad a mí me gustó. Finos amistades los que cargo yo. Y ahora ven que sí sobresalí. El esfuerzo y el trabajo que metí. Tantas veces fracasado y no lo olvido, pero los buenos momentos llevo conmigo. Vénganse pa'l baño, quiero que se echa un levantón y después despegar el vuelo.
Alright guys, this is the next day. Y'all check out the truck. The front's still sitting at a 3-inch drop, but the back got the drop shackles on now. I'm sitting a little lower, you know what I'm saying? I did bottom out a couple times in the back, so I will be adding that bolt-on C-notch. That tin looking fresh. Sheesh. I had my fog light spliced to the corner lights. One of the bulbs burnt out, so I'm gonna have to order a new set of bulbs. I'm gonna see if I can get an angle of how far the rear end is from the frame. Yeah, so I don't got much travel. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Next time I'll probably end up dropping the front eventually, and then we'll see from there. I appreciate all y'all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.